Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Coffee Bites with Vijay, and today I'm here to explain about the string handling in Java part 2. In part 1 previously I had explained all about the basics of strings. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch that. So today I'll be teaching about the string operations in Java. What are all the string operations that we can perform? So let's directly dive into the topic. So guys, this is part 2. So this is part 2 where I will be teaching string operations. Okay. Guys, imagine you have been given a string, some variable, I'll take A, and the string I'll give it as my name Vijay. And guys, your task is to convert this string into a character array. Your task is to convert this string into a character array. So like this. Your task is to convert this to a character array. So this is your task. You have to convert this string into a character array. This is first one. And second one is you have been given a string B equal to some string like Vijay is handsome. So this is a string given to you. And your task is to convert all the spaces you have to take off all the spaces, and in place of this spaces you have to add a comma like this. You have to convert this to a string array. The spaces should be separated by a comma, and they should be is and they should be handsome. So this is your task. So your task is to convert this string into a character array, and this string into a string array like this, with all the spaces separated by a comma. So this is your task. So how can we do this? Guys, pause this video and take your own time and analyze how can you solve this. So if you have paused and if you have analyzed, okay, it's very well and good. If you have not got the answer, come, let's go into Eclipse and let's analyze the code. How can we do this? So guys, I have been given a string A, and the string is Vijay, and this string I have to convert this into a character array. I'll take a character array, I'll give it as B, and I'll do this as A dot. Guys, there is an inbuilt function named toChar array which you are seeing on your screen on the top. This will convert any string into its character array. For example, if I click on this and if I press enter, toChar array will be written. Yes. Now what I'll do is I'll print this. I'll print the character array. What I'll do is, guys, since I have not yet taught loops concept in my video, so I will use toString method in order to print an array. That is arrays dot toString method, and I will write over here in the constructor as B. That's all, guys. Let's print and let's see what's the output. I'm sorry, guys, this is by mistake. I'll print this. Guys, you can see on your screen my name that all the characters are separated by a comma. So this was your first task. So the second task is to convert this. You have to convert string B. All the spaces should be separated by a comma. So how can we do this? So what I'll do is I'll erase this off, and again I'll type over here as Vijay is handsome. Okay. So my task is to remove all the spaces, and in the place of these spaces I want to add a comma separated by them. So how can I do that? It's simple, easy, guys. Take a string array. take a string array, give your own variable, and what you can do is, guys, there is a special function named dot split method. You can use dot split method in order to split all the spaces into commas. What I'll do is a dot split. You can see the split is visible, and that's it. Split. I'll just give spaces over here. That's all. What I'll print is, I'll print this. I'll print this off. Okay. Now I'll print arrays dot toString method, and inside this toString method I will pass p. So let's see what's the output, guys. Guys, you can see all the spaces are separated by comma. That's all, guys. And even you can pass the alphabets, guys, like this. I can pass a inside this split method, and when I pass a, what will happen is, let's go and analyze. What will happen is, whenever it will encounter this a, whenever a is encountered, what it will do is, it will split only Vij into the separate string, and it will split y as a separate string. It will split this space as a separate string. Let's go and check this. What will be the output? I'm sorry, guys, I think I have to take character, I guess. Let's see. No, I think I have to take a string itself. Of course, this is a string. Guys, you can see whenever that encountered a, it will split that into commas, and it will take it as a separate value in the string. So this was the first task, guys. I think you understood how to split and how to convert into a string into character array, and the words of string into the array. So this was the first task, guys. So let's go to our second task. Second question. Convert a string into uppercase and lowercase. Guys, this is simple, easy. Just you have to use the two methods, that is two uppercase and two lowercase. This is very easy. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you can get the immediate notifications of my video. Guys, I'll take one more string b. Guys, one more important thing. You cannot change the original string. That the original string is a. You cannot modify the original string because string a is immutable. Because of that, I'm taking one more string and I am putting that value into string b. I cannot modify a because string a is immutable. That is an important point, guys. Please note down. You cannot modify a. You can put that value into b. B equal to a dot to uppercase. As you can see over here, to uppercase. Press enter. Put a semicolon and print line statement. And I'll print b over here. That's all, guys. I'll print this. As you can see, the string is converted to uppercase. Same way you can use for the lowercase. Same way you can convert this to a lowercase. You can see it has been converted to lowercase. This was simple, easy, guys. Let's go to our third question. Guys, third question is remove the spaces in the string. Okay, let's do it. For example, what I'll do is, I'll erase this, and here I'll use spaces, guys. I'll give spaces. Here I'll give some space. Now my task is to remove this space. How can I remove that? It's also simple, easy, guys. Take string b, and again there is a special function named trim. You can use this string method, trim method. You can cut all the extra spaces and you can get the complete value. And I'll print b in this. I'll run this. Guys, you can see the spaces has been removed. Simple, easy, right? Let's go to our fourth question. Yes, our fourth question states that extract a character from a string. Okay, let's do that. What I'll do is I'll remove this all, and even I'll remove the spaces also. Now my task is to extract a character from this string. For example, I want to take V out of this string, or I want to print capital V out of this. How can I do that? It's also simple, easy, guys. Take a character, something P, and in this character, I will put V. So how to do that? A dot, guys, you can see on the top char at. You can use this method, so that, and inside this carrot you have to sorry, that carrot is different, guys. That is carrot vegetable. This is something different, don't confuse. So this is, at inside the carrot you have to specify the index value and semicolon and print this, and here I'll be printing B. So let's check the output. See, guys, you we got V. In the same way, you can extract any number of characters out of a string. So let's go to our second question. Sorry, fifth question. What does the fifth question asks us? Extract more than one character at a time. We have to extract more than one character at a time. So how can we do this? I'll go here. This, now my task is to extract JAY from Vijay. How can I do that? It's also simple, easy, guys. What I'll do is I'll take a character array, and inside this character array, what I'll do is a dot. One thing I'll do, I'll take this character array and I'll create a new char. I'll create an object of this. I'll create an object, and JY, the size of JY is 3, and I'll give 3 over here, and I'll close this. And what I'll do is a dot get char. Guys, there is a special method called get chars. You can see on the screen. Let's check what are all the parameters that get char will take. You can see over here, guys, src begin, src end, dst, that's nothing but destination, destination begin, source begin, source end. So I have, from the source I have to specify the source index value and the source end value, and where I want to store that value in the destination, that character array name I have to pass, and a destination begin. That's all. So let's go and let's do this. Okay, a dot get chars, and guys, JAY, J is at second index, and Y is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth index. Guys, since the last index is excluded, I cannot take 4. I have to take one greater than that, that is 5, and the source is B. And I want to mention from, I want to take the index from 0, so I'll specify 0 over here. That's all. I'll print this, and arrays dot toString, and I'll print P. That's all, guys. Let's print it. As you can see, JAY is printed in the form of array. And now if you don't want that in form of array, you can use for loop. Guys, I have not yet explained the loop concept in my video. So if you are watching this before uploading of the loop concept, you can skip this part, or else you can watch this if you have prior knowledge of loop concepts. For, guys, I will use for each loop in this concept. What I'll do is I'll take char and E colon, and I want to extract from B. That's all. Print line statement, and inside this print line statement I'll put B. Let's print this. Give me a second, guys. What happened? Okay, I got printed 3 times. What I'll do, I'll run this. J is printing 3 times. This is because yes, guys, I was printing B instead of E, so again I'll add E. That's all. That was the mistake which I had done. You can see JY is printing in separate lines, or else you can take off this LN and you can directly print this. You can see I have extracted the strings from Vijay. That's all, guys. So let's go and see our sixth question. Our sixth question is convert a string to its byte array. What is this byte array, guys? It's nothing but ASCII values of the characters inside the string. So how is this? How is this working? Let's go and analyze. Guys, imagine there's a string given over here like this. That is string A equal to A, B, C, and D. And your task is to convert all this into a character array with its ASCII values. A has the ASCII value of 65, B has the ASCII value of 66, C has 67, and D has 68. So this is the string array, guys. So how to do this? It's simple, easy, guys. What I'll do is I'll erase this off, and inside the string array, I'll give A, B, C, D. Capital A, B, C, D or small a, B, C, D. I wish A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll take a byte array, guys. Byte B. This is the byte array. And inside this byte array, what I'll do is A dot. There's a special method, guys. Get bytes. You can press on this. That's all. You can print this array. SYSOUT. You can use toString method in order to print this arrays dot toString method. ToString of B. I'll pass B inside this and I'll print this. You can see the string is converted to its ASCII values, corresponding ASCII values. All the characters inside the string is converted to its corresponding ASCII values. Okay, we have done the sixth part. Let's go to our seventh part. Okay, what is the seventh question? Seventh question is palindrome. So how can we check that the string is palindrome? What is a palindrome, guys? This palindrome is nothing but even if you read from left to right or from right to left, you should see that it should be the same value. For example, if I take madam, M-A-D-A-M, even if you read from the left side or even if you read from the right side, the characters should match. So how can we solve this? Guys, there are numerous methods. You can take any code. It's left to you. But I will try to teach an optimal code so that it will not take more space and it will not take much time. So how can we solve this? Guys, it's simple, easy. What I'll do is, for example, if I take madam as the string, what I'll do is I'll take two pointers, guys. One pointer will be pointing to the first index and the second pointer will be pointing to the last index. So this pointer I'll name it as low and the last pointer I'll name it as high. What I'll do is I'll compare low with high. I'll compare low with high. Is L equal to high? Yes, M is equal to M. It is true. Then what I'll do is I'll move low to the next index and I'll move high to the next index. And again I'll do the same thing. I'll compare the character low and character high. Yes, they both are same. Again what I'll do, I'll move low over here and again I'll move high over here. Now both low and high are pointing to the same index. Is D equal to D? Yes, true. What I'll move, I'll move low to the next index and high I'll move to the next index. At the point where low and high crosses each other, when low and high crosses each other, I will stop the loop. I will stop the loop and I'll come out of the loop and I'll print that this is an palindrome. This is an palindrome. So this was the concept, guys. Take the two pointer and just compare the values at that character. At that index, you can compare the characters. So what I'll do is, let's code this. Okay, I'll take palindrome itself in the first case. I'll take the same string madam. What I'll do is I'll take low to be at the index 0 and I'll take high to be at the index last. So what I'll do is I'll take a dot le in gth and I'll do -1. Since it is zero based indexing, I'll do -1 and I'll take a while loop while low is less than or equal to high. Guys, remember it should be less than or equal to high, not less than high. This is because you can see over here in this case both in the case of D. In the case of D, you can see low and high were pointing to the same D. So at that case, I have to mention equal to, or else it would be a problem. So again, I'll go to the code. Low is less than or equal to high. Now what I'll do is I'll compare this. If a dot char at, you can see over here, a dot char at low is not equal to a dot char at high. If this is not equal, what I'll do is I'll take a flag variable, guys. I think here there is a bracket problem. I'll take this one bracket out. So now it's correct. What I'll do is I'll take a flag variable over here, guys. Outside the loop, I'll take a flag variable and I'll put the value for the flag variable as 1. And now what I'll do is I'll initialize again flag 2. If these are not equal, I'll initialize flag to 0 and I'll break the loop. Guys, don't worry if you are unaware of this break while. If you are a fresher, you can skip this concept. Inside a string buffer and string builder, I will teach you how to check whether it is palindrome or not. If you are unaware of loops, please skip this concept. And here what I'll do is I'll move low plus plus and high minus minus. That's all, guys. Now come out of the loop, and what I'll do is if flag is equal to 1, whether it is equal to 1, yes, and here I'll print yes, it is a palindrome, or else I'll print no, it is not a palindrome, it is not a palindrome. That's all, guys. Let's run this and let's check. Yes, guys, madam is a palindrome. Now what I'll do is, guys, I'll change this to small m. Now let's check whether the output is true or false. Guys, you can see on your screen it is showing no, it is not a palindrome. Why is this happening? Because, guys, it is comparing the ASCII values. If the ASCII value is not correct, then it will show me that it is not a palindrome. So how to avoid this, guys? In order to do this, what I'll do, I'll convert this completely to the lowercase, or else there is some other method, guys, that is ignore case method, that I'll teach in the next video. In this video, I'll not go to that method. What I'll do is I'll convert this to lowercase, to lowercase dot. Why is this showing me error? Is there any mistake? Yeah, I have left R. Even it is showing me error. What's happening? Yes, guys, the C should be in caps. Yes. Now I'll do this lowercase method dot. That's all, guys. Now I'll run this and now let's check what's the output. As you can see, yes, it is a palindrome. In this way, you can ignore the cases. That's all, guys. Now let's go to the 8th question. Compare using region matches. Okay. What I'll do is I'll take this off. Guys, please like, share, subscribe, share with your friends so that everybody will get the knowledge and it will be useful to all. If you're watching this a day before exam, I need a like for this video string A. Now what I'll do is I'll take my name Vijay, and I'll take one more string, guys. In this string, I'll just mention JAY. Okay. Guys, now I will compare JAY inside string A to JAY inside string B. So how can I do that? It's simple, easy, guys. A dot region matches. You can see over here. A dot region matches. So first index is of the index where J index is present. J index is present at second index, and yeah, the second string name is B, and I want to compare J is at index 0 in the string B, and till I want to compare 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, no, 3. 3 is the index. That's all. What I'll do is I'll print this in print line statement. That's all. Let's check what's the output of this slide. Let's run this. Yes, guys, you can see true is the output. Now what I'll do is I'll change the case of J to caps. Now let's check what's the output. Guys, you can see it is showing false because A is in caps and here small capital J and small j. That's the difference. So how to avoid this, guys? In order to avoid this, there is another method, guys. There is another method. How to use that method? It is the same method, region matches, but you can see the second one over here. Second one, region matches. I'll press this and you can see false. What I'll do is I'll press true over here. I'll check with true. What will happen? Okay, now I'll run this. Yes, guys. If you write true, then it will ignore the case. It will ignore the case and it will print true. That's all, guys. That's the difference. If you write true over here, then that will ignore the case. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. That's all, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.